Hello everyone, hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to download apps on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To download apps on Chromebook, there are various methods. You can use Google Play Store if it supports, or else you can also install application using Linux developer environment. So I already have a video on it. However, hey, in this video, I'll show you one of the best method to install application on Chromebook. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon. Here look for Explore application, open it. Here click on Apps and Games. Here you will get all the optimized apps and games for your Chromebook. Now you can simply browse through the list. It is just like a app store for your Chromebook. Here you'll find list of all the optimized application. And if you scroll further, here you will find list of games that are optimized for your Chromebook. Now to install any application, you can simply browse through the category. Simply select the application and here click on choose option drop-down menu, and here you'll find different options from where you can install the application. You can install application from Play Store, or you can also install application using the web. Also, it will recommend you the best option. Simply click on the option. Here you will get installation window. Click on install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the application get installed, you can simply close the application. Then click on App Launcher and here you'll find here installed application. So that's it. This is how you can download apps on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.